Adding and managing members is the next step for your team drive. Who's going to have access to it, and what kind of access are they going to have? Much like other Google Drive shared features, you can select the different levels of access for each person. From the IT RIM Drive options, click on Add Member. The New Members dialog box will open. Add a person's name or email address here. All new members can be added at one time or added individually at a later time. The default setting for access is full. This allows people to upload, edit, delete, and move files around. You can always change a member's access at any time. For most Team Drive members, I suggest using the edit level of access, which allows a member to edit and upload files but not delete or move them. A more limited access level that restricts a member to comment only or view only might be helpful in some circumstances. Add a message to the new team member. Click Send. The new member now has access to the Team Drive. Members can be managed at any time. Click on the IT RIM Drive, choose Manage Members. All the members and their access levels are displayed. Click on the access level. A drop-down menu will provide other access options. Choose the level of access needed for each member. A check mark confirms the selection. The new permission level can be seen in the Members Access window. Click Done if you are finished. Click Add New Member if needed. Again, a name or an email can be added for a member. I added an email to a person outside of the City of Chattanooga's government domain. When the message is sent, a warning will appear stating the Team Drive is being shared with a person outside of the City of Chattanooga's government domain. Choose Continue. The new member has been added and an email notification has been sent to them. One last time, up to the IT RIM Drive options. There is another option to search within the IT RIM Drive. Choose this. All files and folders within that drive are displayed. Searching in shows us where we are searching. Sharing team drives. If we right-click on a folder to get a shareable link, it's not available. Why? Again, Team Drive does not like to share entire folders or move entire folders. Instead, you can share a file by getting a shareable link to that file, not a folder. Again, enter the name of the person or email to share the file with. Check to see who has access to the file. As a best practice, link sharing should always be set to off. If you turn link sharing on, all employees at the City of Chattanooga can find the file in a search. Do not turn link sharing on to share a link. These are two different functions. Just copy and share the link address. Keep link sharing turned to off. You can see all team members and their access level. A person can have their access to a file removed at any time, if needed. One more thing in managing team members. This optional setting can be valuable for some documents, restricting the access of a person to download, print, and copy a file. Click Done when you are finished with this window. The last item, the Team Drive card, has some features that can help you manage the Team Drive quickly. Right-click on the IT RIM Drive card. Quickly add, manage, and email all members on the team from here.